Hello, my name is Chris, and welcome again to our second instructional video tutorial on CSC 151 and Introduction to Java Programming. What will I learn today? Today, you will be making your first program. You will learn about the compiler, identifiers, comments, and syntax errors. Your first program. For our first program, we're going to create a simple Hello World program. This program will simply display to the console Hello World. Once you start Eclipse, you will be asked to select a workspace. Pick a place where you want to store your applications. This is your Eclipse workspace. It's where you'll be making all of your applications. To start our first program, we'll click File, then New, then Java Project. Here we pick a name for our project. For our first one, we'll use Our First Program, then click Finish. Next, we'll need to make the Java class file. Right click on our first program, click New, Class. Here we'll name the class file. I'll pick Hello World. No spaces. This is an identifier. Identifiers can consist of letters, numbers, and underscores as long as it does not begin with a number and contains no spaces. Make sure that the public static void main is checked and then click Finish. This here shows our new class we just created and the main method. And as you can see, it's tucked away inside of our first program. First, let's add a comment. Display a line of text saying Hello World. Comments improve your program's readability and allow you or others to know what is going on at this point in the program. The compiler ignores comments. Make sure you include the double backslash before your comment. You can also use these to comment out several lines. Now for the actual output. We will type in system.out.println Hello World, semicolon. This will print the string of characters contained between the quotes. The println will print out on a new line. This string here, between the parentheses, is called the argument. The whole line ending at the semicolon is called a statement. Almost all statements end with a semicolon. The curly braces here indicate the end of the main method, while the one at the end of the class indicates the end of the class. And always save. Now to run our program. Click up here on the Run icon and click Run. Down here in the console, we see our program has executed. Hello World is displayed. Our comments are nowhere to be seen and the program has ended. Congratulations, you have just written your first Java program. I'll explain a bit about syntax errors here. Syntax errors or compiler errors are caused by incorrect use of the programming language. Could be a spelling error or a section of the code that violates Java's rules. Say, for instance, we take out the semicolon. We get both a red squiggly line where the error is, as well as an X on the line an error has occurred. If we try to run the program now, we will get an error. Normally, the console will also tell you where the error occurs. That concludes our second video on the Java programming language. Today, we learned the compilers needed to run a Java program. Identifiers can consist of letters, numbers, and underscores, as long as it does not begin with a number and contains no spaces. Comments are used to make a program more readable and give the reader an idea of what is going on at this point in the program. They are also ignored when compiled. Syntax errors are caused by incorrect uses of the programming language. In our next video, I'll be going over how to modify your first program, variables, data types, input, and the Java API. So until next time, thanks for watching. Bye.